Sammy, what do you? It looks like it's the speed bumper. What is it?
You need to
Speed bumper head-to-head RC battle
Sam,
view.
remember in our house you asked for a gift I didn't have? I promise you I'm gonna give you one. That's it.
it smashed your guys out.
Is this what you asked for, Sammy? Come over here, Sam. Do it over here.
I did ask you.
Here, open it right here because Daddy wants to take a video. Very cool. Oh my God, what are those guys? Wait, let me help you. You want me to help you? There, you got it. What is that, Sammy? It comes with remote controls?
Remote controls.
Oh my gosh. Nora, look at her toy. You're gonna need help to take it apart. Here, Sammy, let me help you. Go. Very cool.
Oh no, you want to go backwards.
Okay.
We're gonna go.
Whoa! It crashed.
Go backwards.
Go backwards. Go backwards. Bring it this way. Other way. There you go. Oh, they got stuck. Okay, go.
Wow, that's good.
Go backwards. Go backwards. Can you go backwards?
Yeah.
Wow, you can go backwards. Cool.
Oh, wait, what about this one?
We're going to get batteries for that. Uncle Mark is bringing batteries for that. Good job. Backwards. Can you bring it backwards?
Look at your package.
Whoa, you hit Daddy.
Got to get you. I got here, Daddy. Let's go look up. Okay.
Wow, what a cool rider. Go backwards. Can you go backwards? There you go. That's how you do it. Wow. Oh, watch out for the jacket. All right, now you got it. Whoa, go backwards. Go backwards, mister. Did he go backwards? How about go this way? Go that way. Good job. Oh,
Backwards.
backwards. That's really cool. Do you like this toy, Nora?
Yeah.
Remote control. Looks like an ATV rider or a almost
I
like
got
a wind,
Daddy.
like a hydroplane.
Oh, there.
Go backwards. Can you go in reverse?
Oh, wait, see ya. Can I see you?
Can he turn too? Let me see the remote. Can he turn too? Wow, interesting.
It's stuck.
Oh no!
There you go.
Well, at least he can go. He can get out of situations pretty well.
Let's go catch Daddy up.
Ah, my foot! Hey, Sammy.
Ow. Uh-oh.
Where did it go? Sammy, help her how to get out of the problem. You guys can try to bump into each other. Try to go get her, Sammy. Play go-karts. Play go-karts. You can try to crash into each other. It's fun. Show her, Sammy. Oh no. Sammy's gonna get you. Sammy's gonna crash into you. You can put it in reverse, Sammy. Whoa, look at that. Sammy's gonna try to crash into you.
Yeah.
Oh, don't try to crash into Daddy. You almost got my foot.
Uh-oh.
Go in reverse, Nora. You can go in reverse.
Okay.
Sammy, show her how to go in reverse. There you go. Don't crash into Daddy's feet. That's not nice.
No. Go.
Oh no, Sammy got you.
I got you.
All right, Sammy has 1 point. It's 1-0. Whoever crashes into you, you get a point.
Wait,
Alright, let's see. Nora, get away from him. Don't let him crash into you, Nora. Sammy, you gotta go after her. Yeah, it is. You just go. Sammy, you're not using it right. You gotta go in reverse.
Yeah.
You're okay. Oh no, you got 2 points for bumping into Nora. You get 10 points for bumping into Daddy. Go in reverse, Nora. Go in reverse. Go in reverse. There you go. Nora hasn't gotten any points yet, I don't think. Sam, you can't pick it up. You got to use the controller. Yeah, go. Can you go backwards? You'll get the hang of it. It just takes a little while.
That's so cool. Look.
It just takes a little while to get the hang of it. Oh, somebody got points. Don't get Daddy. I'm lifting my feet. No, you can't get Daddy. Oh no, you got me. Oh no, I'm dying.
I got lost points because I scratched you.
You did.
Daddy, I see you.
You've got a nice seatbelt on.
There you go.
I like that seatbelt.
Go.
All right, let's see it, guys. Let's see it. Put it on the floor.
I got her. I got me. Nope. Hey, Nora!
Hey, Samuel, it's okay. Okay, but there's no need to scream.
Yes, I do.
Samuel, it's okay.
Okay, let's cut this off. I want to cut this off.
Why do you guys have to act like